Hello, I'm Dora from Landpack. Today I will show you how to operate the multi-layer liquid packing machine behind me. Okay, let's go. The first step is to connect the electrical supplier. This one is the power cord. We need to connect this NY and LY and PEY. All these three wires need to connect to the electrical cabinet. And then we need to connect the air sources. This one is the air tube. We need to insert in here. And if you need to move it, you need to press this wrench and push out. If you have a filling pump, you need to use this pipe to connect the pump by here and to connect the storage hopper. Okay, now let me show you how to operate the connection. This one is the ceiling wrench. We need to fix in here and connect it. And use the clamp to install in here to fix it. And screw this one to tighten it. Okay, that's all. Okay, now let's see how to switch on the machine. This one is the switch button, and this one is the emergency button. And here is the temperature control panel. Okay, let's switch on it. And you can see these temperatures are different. We need to wait this red temperature to reach on the green temperature. If they are the same, means the machine is ready. Okay, let's go to see the operation page. And here is the main menu. You need to open all the functions you need, such as the cutter enable, filling, and others. And here is the parameter page. All the parameters are shown in here. If you need to change the back length, you need to click here to set the length you need. And then save it. And here is the alarm function. All this is open. Okay, that's all the introduction today. If you need more support from us, feel free to contact us.